This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
Hey everyone, we're Sammy and Tommy and we are currently exploring Vietnam. This is our third and final video in a 3-part series showing you all of the best things to do in Ninh Binh. If you missed our previous videos, we have been exploring the area by bicycle and motorbike. We've seen ancient pagodas, taken a peaceful boat ride, and made the 500-step climb up to Hang Hoa Peak. In today's video, we will be showing you the beautiful UNESCO Trang An Boat Tour.
Wow, this one's crazy.
I like it. So before we start our 3-hour boat tour, we're actually going to pick up some Banh Mi sandwiches and some beer. That way we can relax and enjoy all together, have a few beers, eat some food, and just enjoy the scenery. Chips? Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper? Yeah. My favorite. That's a great photo. Look at that. Too excited. There we go. Look at that. You guys get some sandwiches?
Sandwiches. There's a whole restaurant of people back there.
This line is 100 times better than yesterday. Yesterday it went way past this spot. There's only a few people in front of us this time. We chose right. So it was 250,000 dong for each ticket, and then I think we choose our route on the other side of the river. Oh boy. So we are flying through the line. I can't imagine what it was like yesterday. So glad we came back today. It is still super busy. Thank you, man.
We made it through that craziness and we're just waiting on one more person and we're gonna get on our boat.
3 routes, Route 1, 2, and 3. Alright, we're on our boat with every other person here in Tam Coc.
Yep. We chose Route 1, so you can choose a pre-route. The maps are on the board when you get here, so you can choose on your own. This one has the most caves and pagodas.
I think it's 9 caves and it's double the time as the other routes. So.
The boat tour through the Trang An UNESCO World Heritage Site is the most famous and probably the most touristic activity that you can do in Ninh Binh. It was recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage of both culture and nature in 2014, making it Vietnam's first mixed heritage site.
Salud.
Cheers. Banh Mi's for lunch. Hello. Hello.
With the caves, mountains, and temples, it's no wonder why so many people enjoy this peaceful activity. There are 3 different options of boat tours that you can take. We chose the option with the most caves because that's what we enjoy. The other 2 options both included a stop at the famous King Kong film site as well as less time in the caves. The route you choose all depends on your preference of scenery.
Bye, Sammy. So our captain just dropped us off at the Trinh Temple. It's the first stop. They expect they have bathrooms and some food options to eat at. And a beautiful temple. I think they're phoenixes, but I don't know. They look a little different than the Harry Potter ones, but very beautiful.
Our first stop was at Trinh Temple, which was built over 1,000 years ago. It's located at the base of a mountain and has been restored many times throughout history. Many locals believe that the Trinh Temple is one of the most sacred in the country.
That still works. On this boat ride, you can pick up a paddle and help your boat or the boat.
She's actually not helping. She's making it more difficult for her.
Am I? Oh, I don't know if I thought I was helping.
So it's all to get down? That's a good view Sammy has. Right, mom's butt. Time to reach the cave. Off to the left. Sammy, watch your head. So we're in our first little cave. Our captain told us we had to get really low, so we're sitting between the seats. It is not comfortable. Ooh, these rocks are getting close though.
Say, get down, get down, get down.
Ooh, get real low, here we go.
Tommy, do you know what the difference between a stalagmite and a stalactite is?
I do. The stalactites on the ceiling of a cave. Stalagmites are from the ground level.
Wow.
Next.
That's right. You know that's the right answer.
I know. What else you got for me? Get any more fun cave facts?
She's low.
How low can you go? And it's raining on us a little bit. Coming hard right. Ooh.
Wow, we've been in this cave for about how long? Like 3 minutes? 2 minutes at least?
Did you guys know back in the day that troglodytes used to fish in these caves?
I wonder if the water in here like rises level.
Get low, get low.
It's relaxing, isn't it?
It is.
I like this. It's quiet in here. We've lost the crowd.
Real quick, we want to say a massive thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video and for partnering with us this summer. If you are unfamiliar with Squarespace, they are an all-in-one platform where you can easily put together a website, blog, photo gallery, and so much more. Over this past week, I've been working on our own website, which was completely built on Squarespace. I was hesitant to get started on this project because I felt like building a website was way out of my wheelhouse, but fortunately for me, Squarespace is incredibly simple to use. You don't have to be tech savvy at all. Guys, if I can do it, you can do it. I mean, seriously, look at this website that I created. It's pretty legit. One of our most asked questions is, what kind of gear do you guys use? And with Squarespace, I was easily able to create a gear list on our website. If you're interested in putting together your own website or gallery, Squarespace has award-winning, easy-to-use templates, and they have amazing customer service if you ever get stuck. Head to squarespace.com/SammyTommy for a free trial and to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And we're gonna leave a link in the description box below. Now back to the video.
Look out, Sammy, this is tight on you. Nice duck. It's too dark so I can't capture it. Sammy's gonna take a nap.
Yeah. What do you mean one roll?
Wow, this is such a long cave. We've been in this at least a few minutes.
It's hard to understand the concept of time when you've been underground for so long.
Ooh, that was a close one. This spot. Everybody get low.
Well, she does not like you not getting that low.
I'm low.
Our driver looks. Oh!
Yeah, the rain cloud.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
It's not very slimy at all. One down. Good job, driver.
Good job. Okay.
Number one. Good job.
I found a better spot to be at. I'm on the bottom of the boat now, so I have like a own little nest where I don't have to dunk my head down so far and I can actually see the cave. I'm just sitting lower than everyone else.
And the next one.
so beautiful.
In and out.
Yeah, I think it is.
It is. Spirits are white.
Nice scenery. Go swimming? Oh, look close. Thank you. See you in a couple hours.
Bye. See you over there.
You guys have fun. How'd you do? You survived. Wasn't fun without us.
It was really fun. I enjoyed myself talking to myself.
Dropped Tom and Jackie off at the beginning of the temple, and then me and our boat driver went through this little 70-meter cave system. They're gonna be jealous that was an extra cave.
And then I filled out a comment card. I had to translate everything from Vietnamese to English. The whole thing was in Vietnamese. Really? It was 1 through 5.
Yeah.
Wow, this one's crazy.
I like it. I like it. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh, that reveals that.
This is Hang Son Duong.
Try again.
Hang Son Duong.
Let the race begin! See that look? That look was so good.
You're gonna win! Good job! Go, girl!
Bravo, bravo.
Yay! Winners!
Oh, now she's rubbing it in. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Good job, you champ. You're the champion. Champion!
The winner! There it is. Winner! Oh, you want to do a handshake? Okay. Bye-bye. Good victory. I know. We just finished up our boat tour. It was awesome. I love all the stops at the temples. But I'd still say the one we did yesterday was kind of more of a hidden gem. A lot more quiet, more beautiful. I think this had more like mountains and cliffs. The other one had a lot more wildlife, animals. Both still great trips. Glad we did them both. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Now we have to find our scooter in this maze of scooters. What color was ours?
Black.
Okay, good. Black.
It's a good color.
I know it's, yep, the pink helmet gives it away. See? I'm glad you got that pink helmet. I had a little drone accident. You want to explain what happened?
Yeah, Tommy was trying to land the drone on the boat, and I think the lady didn't understand that we needed her to stop for him to be able to catch the drone. And so he went to land it in his hand, and the boat was still moving, and he grabbed it and the propellers wouldn't stop spinning, and it sliced his finger. Oh, I can't even look at it. I'll vomit if I see blood.
It's really not that bad. Oh, there's like, look at that hanging off.
Oh God, Tommy, stop. We hope you guys enjoyed rowing around Trang An with us and our Ninh Binh series. Join us in the next one where we head to Phong Nha National Park to visit the world's largest cave. Thanks again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe. It really helps our channel and we appreciate it so much. See y'all in the next one.